sklearn, utils, sparseFinks fasten place CS row normalizer 2. Description: this function performs L2 normalization of rows in a sparse CSR matrix in place. Modifying the original matrix. L2 normalization scales each row of the matrix so that the Euclidean norm length of each row is equal to 1. This is commonly used in machine learning to prevent features with larger magnitudes from dominating the learning process. Inputs. X a sparse CSR matrix. It represents the input data where each row corresponds to a data point and each column represents a feature. Outputs. X the modified CSR matrix, where each row is normalized by its L2 norm. Steps. Calculate the L2 norm of each row in the CSR matrix. Divide each element in each row by its corresponding row's L2 norm. This effectively scales each row to have a unit length. Metrics. L2 norm of each row. The L2 norm of each row in the output matrix is 1. Visualization plots. Scatter plot of data points before and after normalization. This plot shows the impact of normalization on the distribution of data points in the feature space. Fine-tune parameters. None. This function has no tunable parameters. Uncertainty methods. None. This function does not involve uncertainty estimation. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Numerical instability can occur if a row has a very small or 0 L2 norm, leading to division by 0. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. A data point with all feature values equal to 0. Fixes to challenge 1. Handle 0 norm rows. The function should include a check for 0 norm rows and handle them appropriately. For example, by assigning them a default value, e.g., a vector of zeros. Challenge 2. The in-place modification of the input matrix might not be desirable in some scenarios, where the original matrix needs to be preserved. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2. When multiple operations need to be performed on same data and the original representation is required for subsequent steps. Fixes to challenge 2. Create a copy. The function should provide an option to create a copy of the input matrix before performing normalization, ensuring that the original matrix remains unchanged.